Hey there, Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja in the Command Center of Knoxville, Tennessee. And today we're going to show you a DIY about how to wrap the pillars inside the crawl space. Hope you like this. Stay tuned. Okay, so here's Cameron, our lead installer. This isn't going to take a whole lot of time, pretty short video. So what he's going to do is he's already pre-cut the plastic. You want to go probably about 8 to 12 inches wider than the block and about 12 to 18 inches longer. He's got it up there about 3.5, 4 blocks high, so about 3 feet tall. We like it like that. It looks good. You notice the dampness on the block at the very bottom, which is why we wrap these guys. He's going to cut a little corner so that the block wraps, or so that the plastic wraps all the way around the block with his little knife there. You want to have yourself a good utility knife. He's using a Hilti gun. You can use a Ramset, Christmas tree fastener. You could use adhesives, you can use butyl tape, but we always like to mechanically attach the plastic if we can, because all adhesives and things typically give out over time. So he's cutting all 4 corners there so that the plastic wraps all the way around. This is, of course, is the no cat pee vapor barrier. So you want to make sure you wrap these pillars really good, and then we'll do another video about how to attach the pillars to the floor plastic. As you can see, he's doing the pillars first, doing the walls and pillars first before you do the floor. He's almost got it done, and then whenever he gets all the way around, he's going to reattach across the top with a Hilti nail. Again, you can use an adhesive, or if you want to, if you're going to use a seam tape across the top, make sure you tape it onto itself because tape doesn't do well to cinder block. He goes there with the Hilti nail, then he's going to shoot another one about halfway down, and then he's going to tape that seam, which you won't see in this video, and you can see how the corners were cut, and he is all done with that pillar.